Welcome to Accelerator Pedals. I'll be your guide for the 2004 through 2007 Toyota Corolla Accelerator Pedal Sensor. Before we begin, let me just address that people not watching all the way through. The test that we do should demonstrate how to test them yourself. And if you listen to the end, we do say to check out the link below to see if you want to buy any of the parts that we test. Please check out the link below to visit our store page to see whether or not you want to buy one of these parts that we show for your own vehicle. Thank you. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. The multimeter should be set at 20 volts just like this. After doing this, the positive from both the battery and the multimeter should connect up to this bottom left pin. Then the negative from the battery should connect up to the bottom right pin, and the negative from the multimeter should connect up to the middle left pin. Then it should be reading about 3.7 volts in its idle position. And then it should stop at exactly 0 volts. During these tests, with the multimeter, it should not be showing any spikes or glitches during any of these tests. The second potentiometer, the multimeter should still be set at 20 volts just like this. Then the positive from the battery and the multimeter should connect up to this top right pin. Then the negative from the battery should connect up to the top left pin, and the negative from the multimeter should connect up to the middle left pin. After doing this, the multimeter should be reading in its idle position of 0.02 volts. And then as you press it towards you, it should end at 4.5 volts. Remember to check for spikes and glitches during the test. So in this example, you can see that we are pressing down on it slowly and letting it rise up. And it looks like that this is not having any problems. It doesn't have any glitches or spikes. If your pedal has a spike or glitch, time to replace it. Our website shows when we have them in stock. We ship them from Ohio and we'll send it out right away. Check out the pinned comment and in the description for the link to our website. Thank you and have a good day.